Hey guys and girls, it's time for a new shopping haul. I have new shoes and I would love to show them to you. Maybe you saw it on my Instagram stories. I did a little poll because I wasn't pretty sure if this is my style or not, but I love them so much and 80% of you voted for yes, buy them, and I did. Here they are. This also looks so cute. So the shoes that I bought are more like for summertime when I love to have long legs. During winter time, I love to get long legs with some platform like these peep toes, or so-cades are my always perfect shoes. But this is more like for summertime. So this is cute, you have the little logo on the paper. And a white bag. Kind of special, like the sneaker style. They come in the white bags. This is it. So beautiful, so sparkling. And you have mesh, so you can see the toes a little bit through the mesh. It looks a little bit like a princess, and it has a 10-centimeter heel, so it's pretty good to walk in. So it's a really special style. Usually I wear black high heels, but this is like see-through and totally feminine style, very luxury. Always so special if you have the right sole, just perfect. But I also love it when they are a little bit used and you see that this shoe is definitely loved. And of course you get the little heel add-ons if you lose one. So beautiful. So it's time to try them on. Well, I already did. You saw me in the store walking and trying. So usually I wear size 37.5, but in these ones I just need 37 because the mesh is more flexible than the vinyl ones. So this is the look in total. It's a little bit more friendly, more feminine, more girly style, more maybe even Cinderella style than the other ones I had on before. So this is definitely perfect for summer events or evening events. It goes with every dress and maybe even for a wedding because they are so special. So that's it for now. I just wanted to share this new perfect pair of high heels with you. And I guess sometimes I will share more polls with you on my social media channels. And definitely you will soon see some pictures of different styles also on my blog. So thank you for watching. See you very soon back again on this channel. Thank you for your subscription, for your thumbs up and for a nice comment. And for everybody who voted yes to buy these kind of shoes. I just love them. Take care and bye bye.